Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Me and Kitty don't really know what to do, as we've put quite a few videos on today, so we're just gonna do a 2-on-2 flash trade-in. Yay! Okay, so I'll flash you. What's not on your list?
Who? Hey, hang on, seriously. There you go.
Okay, I'll flash. Bird feed. Here, go.
Whoa, you're so rare.
Oops, I didn't count down.
Okay, out of you.
Good.
Hey, it's your round glasses again. Okay. Come on, just let me get my face. Seriously.
Whoa. Ah! Oh my god, I was so close. I was like, okay, that was pretty cool. So I guess I have to flash you. Good stuff back in return.
Yeah, as always.
I can do better than that. Oh, I just realized I have a lot of... Why isn't that with Tomato? Actually, no, it won't do. I'm doing my best item. Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That thing never comes up. It's so stupid. Why did they have to do it? Easier to all. Okay, these are my best items.
Okay.
So,
Okie dokie.
Be happy and you know it. And you really have to show it.
Do you remember last time I flashed you and you bought something from the store?
Yeah, that was I do that all the time when I change my animal. It's
Yeah.
really bad.
Like, move. Ah! Why am I always so close and I never get it? Okay, I'm gonna flash some good things.
Okay,
Wow, I have a lot of merch ones.
that's for sure.
And I have one of the pink gloves. I still didn't count down. Hop, hoppity hop.
These are my best den items. I'm gonna flash you like this.
Okay.
I don't have many good ones.
Guys, if any of you have a spare ice archway,
Center it.
no, I don't like people sending me items. I don't like begging for items. But either, yeah, can you just, like, message me if you have a spare one and I'll try and trade you for it.
Oh my god, I am not rare thing here.
I just really need one. Yeah, I just really, really need one. As you see, I don't
Are you
have one.
bird poo?
Oh. Okay, I'll flash you my rarest den item then.
Okay.
Doo-doo-doo. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do my rarest den item ever.
That's
Lol.
so
Here, let me click you, and I'll do my best. Stop moving. Stop!
I'm stuck.
Well, of course I have my four favorite den items. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I counted down fast, didn't I?
Okay.
Yeah. Whoops, I made it wrong. Ooh. Why did I put in a sad face? I made put a sad face.
Okay, team. Wait, is it me? No idea.
No idea.
You have loads of these carrots.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was so close. So unfair. So unfair!
Oh, I got this.
Let's see. These have become rare.
Oh, you ready to bid. Not fair.
I I'm hot. Yeah, for sure.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Close. Hot. Fair. Okay, I don't think this is red, but I really have no idea.
You can buy them.
Alright. That was a lot!
No, it wasn't.
Seriously, I didn't know.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, that was so mean. I nearly got it. Okay. I don't know what to do.
Oh, I bought an epic plushie. And the star.
Cool.
I saved up enough to finally buy one.
You have 2 now, don't you?
Well, on my other account, I have one. Foxy.
Foxy.
Okay, one more flash from you, one more flash from you.
Okay.
I hope I accept one. I will not accept the last flash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No!
Please. Wish me. I wanna accept.
So do
Wanna accept.
who we got.
Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Please like and subby. And thanks for watching.
And comment.
And remember, I am either Kit Kat 3 to 4 plus Popsicle 3 to 4.